भैया यार नेट तो मांगे ना नेट से यार भैया
Parts on the island.
oh बारिश बन रही है
Sun's making a nice blue.
चांद रंग उड़ला
Acha.
I'll make it a bit lighter maybe it can be done
Yeah.
what's the back of that road bro
So this man sits here on the side of the road and cleans shoes, as you need shoe cleaners in India because the road is very dirty, and that's what gets your shoes very dirty. So Nick's gonna pay this man $1 to get his shoes clean.
oh now he's adding the color to the leather fabric
I think they're gonna charge you more now, Nick, because you got clean shoes. I'm gonna stay Indian. I'm gonna have dirty shoes.
I want to look bold
So speak out. Filming, yeah. Picking up your shoes. This man is picking up his shoes. Now he has nice clean shoes that he can change into. Here's it's one of the police officers actually. So the policeman's come to collect his shoes and he's back off to work. Yeah.
So the guy that just picked us up paid $10 but I got to cut the line for 50 so I'm pretty happy with that.
We can't really complain when we're paying $1. Look at the service.
Have a good day. Hello.
It's almost getting hit by cars here. Very busy road. show you a bit of the craziness of this street. Hello. Start filming. Hello, Sasriyaka. So we're here, so something.
You can turn it that way.
Yeah.
I filmed it. Namaskar, bhai sahab. What's your name? What's your name? Golden Temple. Oh, we've already been. Yeah, very good, very beautiful. Okay.
I like your beard. Cool beard. We're almost finished our shoot now. He's done a good job with his shoes. They look brand new. Look at that, for $1 Australian. We're doing a bit of advertising for the shop now. It's become lots more popular. Hello. Yeah, filming. Yeah. Like GoPro. And he's finished. Okay. He's gonna like, oh, he made him 50. For us, it's a good price. All right.
Good. So this is near the Golden Temple. We're just getting a bite to eat. What we ordered was a regular thali. It's pretty nice. I might just show you what that looks like.
So we've got some roti breads. They're pretty nice.
Naan bread.
A section of curries. Sorry, I can't tell you which ones because I'm not sure of the names. Rice, onion. It's a sweet. It's like a tuna. It's very sweet. They're quite nice though. And then it's a bit of a yogurt sort of like type mix to cool it down. But anyway, let's dig in. Looks good. Alright, I'm just going to use my hands. Alright, try this first one. I'm not too much in favour of that one. It's more of a gravy. Oh, it's just like gravy. That one's a bit nicer. And the chickpea one. Got chickpeas in it. And again, it's like got more flavour anyway.
Salad dosa, I think.
Okay. Sorry if I'm not talking because it's just it's good food. So anyway, we just bought this for 250 rupees. 250 rupees is about $5. So we're in a restaurant, we're in a tourist area, so this is a bit more expensive, about $5. You get all this.
Compared to what you'd pay back
Yeah,
home.
where can you get that in Australia? Let's be honest. And it's even better curry than back home because they've got access to all the spices in India, and it's great. So anyway, we're gonna leave that one there. Me and Nick are gonna finish our lunch and take you on a bit of an explore. Next, we're going to Agra. All right, stay tuned.